Alright guys, so I'm doing a review here. This is a Kind bar. This is their almond, sea salt, and dark chocolate. I got it free. This was a sample. It was just sent in the mail to me. And check out the ingredients if you guys want to read this. Pause the video, of course. And there you go. So it's gluten free. So let's check this out. I'm gonna open this up right now. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the salt that's in there. Um, I like their that cherry one that you have is actually probably their best one. The dark chocolate cherry one. This one's too salty actually. Yeah, if you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below. Subscribe to the channel. It's just almonds, chocolate, and salt. So, all right, I'll be back with more videos. Stay tuned.